Hi, this is Jason Thomas, CEO of JTC Blue Collar Development. If you're watching this video, it's probably because it's your first day or first week on the job. My job is to make sure that you go up the ladder as fast as humanly possible. So if you'd please bear with me in the next 5-minute video, short videos, this is a great way to learn. We're going to show you the hacks that we have learned, that we've seen people accelerate to the top of the ladders as quick as humanly possible. Okay? We call this the 6 tricks to getting fast raises. 6 tricks to getting fast raises. Okay. You guys, at the point that you got hired, should got one of our books. It's called the Employee Respect Manual. Okay, we went over this, what makes a person that feels like a temp services or pulling a plow, they're going nowhere, they have no training, they have no vacation policy, they have no mentorship, and they don't have a license. JTC gets all that for you in a 90-day period. Now, you're going to go through some trials. You might think this is too good to be true. I hear that all the time. It's too good to be true. You're going to have to show up early. You're going to have to work hard, long hours, and you're going to have to dedicate to come to a free after-work training. Now, don't let that word scare you, free. The bosses pay for all your training. Go price every one of our classes, OSHA 10, fall protection, scissor lift. Go price how long it takes you to get a license. Electrical license, fire alarm, sprinklers. Those things cost up to $30,000 a year for a company to have a manager. In my book of promises, read the AMP program. You might like that. Coming up on the vacation season here, you might want to know that you get paid holidays after a certain length of term in JTC. Please go to page 17. We also want to tell you we have a suggestion. We have a suggestion hotline. It's kind of like a suggestion box, but we love technology. We want to hear you. We want to hear your complaints. 3 ways to fix it. Suggestion hotline is on 24/7, and I manage that personally. If you got a good idea, I want to hear it. If you got a complaint, 3 ways to fix it, and I'm going to get immediate response on that. I'm going to high-five you with $15 worth of free tools. Free tool program is in this book as well. We want to talk a little bit about workplace conduct. So if we want to talk about the 6 hacks, please let me show you what's in this book. Okay? Cell phone usage. We're getting a lot of guys coming back for yeah, we love cell phones. We want to use them. Cell phone usage have to be limited to on the job site in the morning, clock in, and then keep it in your car, keep it in your pocket. Do not use headphones, guys. Even if the bosses say the headphones, it's an OSHA violation, which you'll learn in the OSHA 10 class, which would cost you $300. We're going to do it for free. Do it every 90 days. So make sure you RSVP for those OSHA classes. You'll learn other hacks. Cell phone usage. Keep it to a minimum. No headphones. It's against the law. It's against the rules. And you want to look like and get paid like a professional? Let's not have those headphones in. Had a guy almost get killed with a track hoe. He had one in and one out. Can't do that, guys. He couldn't hear the track hoe boom moving around. Almost killed him. Don't get killed. That's my first hack. Okay. Second, tools. Got to have a tape measure. You see what I got here? A tape measure with no fractions on it. Can you see that? No fractions on it, guys. Those are beginner tape measures. Get the right tools for your job. Also acquire at least a hammer, at least a tape measure, and in the first 90 days, I'm gonna expect you to have a nail bag. What kind of nail bag? Find the guy that's highest paid on the job site. Get his kind of tools, get his type of nail bag, and ask questions to us at any time. You need rain gear, you need gloves, you need safety glasses, call Burton, call Michael, we'll take care of that. We're not gonna nickel and dime you while you're working for us, okay? Another hack, number 3, actually, cell phone use, basic tools, vaping. No tobacco policy. We have a no tobacco policy, guys. That includes vaping. We get a lot of guys in their career because they're vaping on the job. Just keep it to the truck. Keep it to the car. Keep it after work. Be a professional. Don't vape around the customer's job sites. They don't see it as friendly, and you'll go up the ladder as fast as possible. Late to work. Make sure you're using attendance records. We keep attendance records. Make sure you're using the attendance system. Clocking in and clocking out on time. Do not clock 1 minute late or it docks you to 15 minutes. Let me say it again. If your start time is 7 a.m., it's going to dock you 15 minutes of overtime, because most of our guys get in overtime, to 7:15. And don't clock out early. Say you clock out at 3:29 and your end time is 3:30, it's going to dock you 15 minutes there. 2 minutes just lost you 30 minutes of overtime, guys. For most of you, that's over $15 just for those 2 errors. Please keep that attendance great. And once again, everybody is seeing that your attendance is stellar. You're going to make more money. I guarantee it on the attendance. Hack number 5, take notes. See, I got this notepad. Guys, I can give you these notepads. You come to the job site in the morning and you're writing down the communication methods. Only 1 out of 100 people in construction needs to even do that. And it's usually on a piece of wood or scrap metal. Take the notes, make sure that you're being seen as a professional. Even if you don't know it all, this is going to help you learn it. And then finally, make sure that you take advantage of all the training classes and functions at JTC, even charitable events. This is going to get you up to the ladder as fast as possible because we do have a character tracking system that tracks all of that. So even a charity event, don't see it as a waste of your time on the weekend. People love to hire people who volunteer for charity. One Saturday a year, and I'll put it in your character resume, it shows what kind of person you are. You're going to go right up to the top of the ladder, guys. Tools, following the rules, no tobacco, no phone calls with the earbuds in. Be on time. Don't be late to work. Make yourself as available as possible. And if you have to push a broom or watch a gate, guys, the jobs just don't end when a big building gets done and another one starts. We have these gaps. It's actually a high five, a compliment if they give you a broom. Just do that job to the best of your ability. And I promise you go to the top of the ladder as fast as humanly possible. About 6 months to a year for our fire alarm, fire sprinklers. Carpentries go a little faster. It's up to you. There is no limit here at JTC. So congratulations on getting part of the team. Build that career and you'll skip school and your buddies are paying student loans. You won't have a debt at all from us. That's all I need to say.